Today we pull a full-size real 1936 Lincoln Model K Coupe in original factory beige back into the light and make it live again.
No wasting time, this full-size real 1936 Lincoln Model K Coupe in original factory beige.
This magnificent machine, a 1936 Lincoln Model K, sat undisturbed for decades. Buried beneath decades of dust and forgotten time, the true beauty of this machine whispers its story.
Here's the title and the keys. It's all yours. Appreciate it.
Easy, easy. Keep the tension on the cable.
It's clearing the threshold now.
Okay, hold it right there. All right, keep it coming slow. Watch the clearance on the ramps. And hold it right there so I can tighten these binders.
The Model K, once the height of luxury, now begins its long journey toward restoration. This Model K is a time capsule. The biggest challenges will be the dry-rotted rubber and those heavily clouded lenses. And so the teardown commences. We begin with the front left fender, carefully applying pressure to the 80-year-old fasteners.
Breaking these original lugs loose requires leverage. You can see the stress on the bar before it finally snaps free.
All right, pull it straight back. Easy on the fender.
Got it. It's heavy.
Bring it over here to the lineup.
Ankles. During the disassembly phase, the side-mounted spare is released from the front fender. As the cover separates, it reveals
Okay, gently does it. Watch the paintwork.
Yeah, steady lift now. We're clear of the engine.
Here we see the careful removal of the pedestal mount, exposing the brittle, decades-old wiring beneath the dull chrome.
we're just loosening the emblem hardware now. The key is to be extremely careful not to scratch the metal. All right, lift slowly on your side.
Okay, I got it. Watch the clearance on the bottom.
Here we see the textured rubber surface, worn smooth in places, and the heavily corroded bolts. Using the pneumatic wrench, we slowly loosen them.
Easing the trim panel free reveals the extent of the work needed. The clips are brittle, and the upholstery backing is severely cracked after all these years.
And this is where we really start to see the age. These tack strips are completely rusted through, and the insulation just crumbles in your hands. Taking the wheel off requires patience. This old Bakelite is extremely fragile now, so it's straight to the padded bench for safekeeping. right, ease it out gently. The rubber is completely shot.
Yeah, I see the dust coming up. Let's get it to the rack.
This is the deep cleaning phase for the Model K. We're flushing out the hinges and the latch recesses, getting rid of nearly a century of buildup. This is the deep cleaning phase for the 36 Lincoln Model K. We're rinsing the firewall and inner fenders, watching that dark runoff stream away. The deep cleaning phase targets this 1936 Lincoln Model K, blasting away decades of packed dirt from the wheel well. Upholsteries. We use a padded rack to protect the fender. As the foam slides off, you can see the decades of grime trapped. Here we isolate the spare tire cover. Foam and meticulous brush strokes reveal the original factory beige hidden beneath the grime. The deep cleaning phase begins. As the pressure rinse hits the chrome hubcap, the brake dust lifts. The cleaning remains on. The deep cleaning phase moves to the removed interior metal trim. We lay them out in order to ensure a gentle rinse clears all the dust and grime.
Even after a thorough wash, the cross members and floor pans still show the original black staining from 1936.
We're focusing tightly on the hinges and drain holes now. Notice how the foam lifts the residue, revealing the original factory beige. The deep cleaning phase concentrates right here on the cowl and the windshield base. The brushes meticulously chase the grime from the vents and the trim channels.
The elegant rear fender begins to glow through the dirt. We catch the runoff curling off the lip as the beige returns unevenly, leaving the scratches and oxidation still visible.
The deep cleaning phase addresses this 1936 Lincoln Model K grille. As water and foam work through the chrome slats,
This is the original headlight bucket from the 36 Model K. We're carefully flushing away decades of buildup to reveal the factory chrome. We carefully brush the louvers to remove decades of trapped grime. As the water hits the panel, the original factory beige begins to emerge. In the deep cleaning phase, the stripped seat frame from the 1936 Lincoln Model K is rinsed free of dust and loose rust scale. During the deep cleaning phase, the pedal area inside the 1936 Lincoln Model K is pressure rinsed, revealing the rusty floor texture and grime-packed corners.
This is the deep cleaning phase. We're using high-pressure water to loosen the mud and grease from the inner cavity of the fender.
The final rinse removes the heavy foam, revealing the original factory beige. But as you can see, the deep cleaning is just the beginning for this Model K.
The deep cleaning phase is critical. We're looking at the original panels from the 36 Lincoln Model K, meticulously stripped and washed.
The deep cleaning phase is critical to understand the true condition of the metal before restoration begins.
Drying under the shop lights, the beige body of the Lincoln reveals its secrets. Every dent and spot of rust.
The 1936 Lincoln, while clean, retains its original patina. We've cataloged the parts The Model K engine, all 900 pounds of it, slowly clears the bay, a crucial step in the restoration process.
Deep inside the front end of this 36 Model K, the contrast is clear. The cleaned firewall meets the rusty brackets and
The first step is crucial, removing decades of baked-on grime with a heavy-duty solvent and stiff brushes. To restore the Model K, we first meticulously strip away decades of grime, revealing the original metal grain underneath. Disassembly must be meticulous, noting the original varnish before cleaning. Here we see the intricate brass jets.
Here we begin the mechanical restoration, using wire brushes to strip away decades of surface rust from the suspension hardware.
We're using a DA sander here to carefully remove the surface rust. It's crucial to reveal the bare metal and assess the pitting before applying any filler. The key here is finesse. We're slowly bringing the shape back to this original 1936 fender before we even think about applying primer. The block sanding process on the Lincoln Model K is meticulous work. It reveals the history of the car.
During the body restoration, we carefully sand the door skins. The goal is a perfectly smooth surface, honoring the car's original factory finish.
To ensure absolute straightness on this Lincoln Model K, we meticulously block sand the primer using the guide code. Ensuring the mounting faces are perfectly true is critical. We measure everything twice before the tires go on.
Fresh white wall tires are mounted onto the restored wheels, capturing the rubber flex and the balanced fit of the 1936 Lincoln Model K.
The key to a flawless finish is the preparation. This two-part primer goes on smooth and provides excellent adhesion.
During the restoration of this 1936 Lincoln Model K, every piece of hardware is meticulously replated. The body and mechanical restoration phase requires paint matched precisely to the original factory beige of this 1936 Model K Coupe.
In the body restoration phase, the first coat of original factory beige is applied to the Lincoln Model K shell.
The original factory beige is applied with meticulous care, capturing the complex curves of this magnificent 1936 Model K.
The restoration phase ensures the roof of this 1936 Lincoln Model K maintains its locked dark taupe tone.
Under the cure lights, the factory beige paint settles, restoring the dignity of this classic Lincoln before final assembly. As the clear coat flows over the beige body, you can already see the gloss increasing dramatically.
This mirror finish requires patience. We use a high-speed rotary tool followed by a final hand buff to ensure every piece is perfect for reassembly.
With the new gaskets in place, the torque sequence must be followed exactly to ensure the valve covers are sealed correctly. As the wheels meet the chassis, the meticulous reassembly enters its final phase. As the cooling system goes in, the polished metal and clean fasteners catch the light, highlighting the immaculate craftsmanship of this 1936 Model K.
The gaps on this side are perfect.
Yeah, right where they should be. Let's secure the rear latch. All right, bring it down slowly. We need that perfect alignment with the running board.
Right there?
Yes. Now hold it while I secure the bolts.
Reattaching the running boards and fenders truly completes the silhouette of the Model K. The fit must be flawless.
Careful now, she's heavy.
Got it. Got it. Lines up perfectly with the apron.
Beautiful.
All right, bring it up slowly. Watch the clearance on the grill.
Got it. Pass me the ratchet, I'll start the bolts on this side.
Easy now, tilt your side down just a hair. Got it. Looks flush on the corner.
The firewall wiring on a Model K demands absolute precision. We ensure every bracket is polished.
The restored dashboard and instruments are refitted in this 1936 Lincoln Model K Coupe during the reassembly phase. With the interior phase underway, the meticulously restored steering wheel is precisely aligned and mounted onto the column of the Model K.
Slow and steady. Clear the doorway.
It's clearing. Lining up the runners now. In the reassembly and interior phase, rear trim, side panels, and seat cushions are fitted inside the full-size 1936 Lincoln Model K Coupe. This stunning 1936 Model K, seen here in factory beige and dark taupe, truly represents
The 1936 Model K Coupe, seen here in its original factory beige, truly represents the pinnacle of pre-war elegance.
The 1936 Model K, a testament to American luxury, truly shines when the sun begins to set. After months of meticulous restoration, the Lincoln Model K is finally ready for the open road.
We kept the original factory beige on the firewall. Every component has been meticulously renewed right down to the last bolt.
After years of meticulous work, the result is finally here. The 1936 Lincoln Model K.
This final test drive confirms it. The Lincoln Model K remains a masterpiece of pre-war automotive design.
Restored to its former glory, this Model K glides effortlessly, a testament to the golden age of motoring. In the final phase of its restoration, the magnificent Model K Coupe takes to the forest road. After months of restoration, the legendary Model K takes to the open road once more.
Thanks for watching this full-size real 1936 Lincoln Model K Coupe restoration. And if you love timeless cars restored right, come back for the next one.